Filipina setter Gia de Guzman earned plaudits for her performance in the Denso Airybees 4-set triumph over the Okayama Seagulls in Japan's V.League, Saturday at the Okazaki Central General Park. De Guzman had 3 points in Denso's 19-25, 25-20, 25-13, 30-28 triumph over Okayama, which hiked their record to 5-5 in Division 1. Denso is now at 5th place in the league. The loss dropped the Seagulls to 2-8 in 11th place. De Guzman had 2 kills and a block, which was highlighted by the V.League's official X account. The former Cream Line star came off the bench in the opening frame and played the rest of the way. For her efforts, de Guzman was hailed as the V-Leaguer of the match, a first for her in her stint in Japan. Brazilian import Rosamaria Montebeller led Denso in scoring with 28 points on 26 kills, a block, and a service ace. Denso returns to action on Sunday for their last match of the year against the Torre Arrows, 4-5, still at the same venue.